Maraming nagtatanong kung ano ba talaga ang normal na buhay dito sa Australia. Kaya ngayong araw, samahan niyo kami sa isa sa mga ordinaryong araw namin.
Yung ganito ba? We don't have this one in the Philippines. Milk.
This is our down under life, Bem Fam shining bright.
Maayong buntag, magandang araw. Ako si Mitz. Welcome sa BemFam. Simple lang ang plano namin ngayong araw. May ilang kailangan lang bilhin sa Kmart. Pagkatapos, grocery sa Aldi at Woolies.
So yan, welcome dito sa Basil. Kmart first na. So dito pala si Darius siya kasi Lucas. Pala yung Kmart dito guys sa Australia. Ito yung pinakamalaking department store. Kmart, welcome to Kmart. So laki yung Kmart nila dito sa Basil. Ito yun ang tongs o slipper ni Lucas yun. Slipper or tongs. Di ko ulit tongs.
But this is a shoe.
Anything like this, yeah, look.
Ayan na naman si Lucas.
Come! Yan, tingnan bata at toys na naman siya guys. Eh, come on, oy! Di ba yutong? Yutong! Yan! Ay, tubig!
Big.
Tubig. Maganda sana to, ha? Here not to buy a toys, okay? We are here to buy you a tongs. This one.
Not fit.
So, yan. Ito yung napili natin kay Lucas. Ano lang to? How much?
$1, $2.
$8 lagi din.
No, but you scan in discount.
Okay. Yan na lang sa $1, $2. Pag yellow
Kapag may yellow tag ang presyo dito sa Australia, ibig sabihin naka-sale ang item.
check the price. They check the price. So, from $8, $2, $1, so nasa 35 pesos. 36, or is it $40? Kasi ganito kasi dito every day, mostly kasi every week nag-ano sila nag-sell. How much? $2. Yeah, laces, the black I think. How much love?
Yeah, how much is it?
How much?
I got from a $10.
$10? Check the price. No, under. In the code. Where is it?
Karamihan ng supermarkets dito ay self-checkout.
And a plastic bag.
Manid natin. Cashier, packer.
Put weight on it, doesn't work.
Self-checkout. How much? $35.50. Wow! Ang saya-saya ni Darius and Lucas. Bean. So after this guys, we're going to Aldi.
Under the bridge where the city meets the tide, watching how the different currents all
Happy.
collide.
Kapag gusto naming makatipid, Aldi talaga una naming
Some
pinupuntahan.
guys, BemFam with my Lucas. Hello, say good morning guys.
Hello,
Morning. Not good?
Rules.
Yeah. Lahat ng plastic ba naubos na. Oh. Empty. Kasi I don't know what time is it. Kasi yung mga 2 o'clock na. How much that one? $2.09. Carrots nila guys. $2.09, mga nasa 80 pesos. Yung talong nila. Ganito yung talong nila guys.
We never taste
Ha? Kamote, mahal. Yung ganito guys, nasa $7. Mahal kamote. Yan siya guys. Masarap to siya sa good for with coffee. Milk Arrow biscuit, $1.39. Milk Arrow biscuits, good for coffee.
Hey, I need to look.
Bacon.
Milk Arrow biscuit. We have tomato sauce. Ha?
Pancake.
Yan, bibili tayo ng flour. Makalimutan natin yung flour. Wala kasi flour before. Ubos. So maganda kasi pag shopping pag morning, guys. Cheese? This one we have?
No, they need it. White fruit.
Tayo din. Mga bata mahilig sa cheese.
I like it.
Pila na ba? Cheese. How much this one? $3.49. Cheese.
This is $4.99.
How much in here? Can I see? Give me a bucket.
$5.
Milk.
Four and up.
Yeah, enough na. Yung ganito ba? We don't have this one in the Philippines. Milk. Whole cream milk. Ano lang siya. Wala sa Butuan. Hindi ko alam sa Manila. Yung ganito. Wala
So
akong
we
ganito.
finally realized
I'm looking for that one in the Butuan but I don't have. Ito guys. Cream. Yan. Yan yung palagi nating binibili dito. Buang na yun. As my husband guys, I can have
You want the nut bar?
conditioner guys. Wala na tayong conditioner. Mga winter clothes yung mga. Just look at this guys, oh. Soon he will be taller than me. Firstborn son.
only a couple of
Say hi sa guys. Hello, that's it. Hello guys.
Say hi.
Come on, another bucket.
Vitamins, ice cream.
Oh, we have that one already, don't we?
How much you pay today? 400. Today we're going to
Sushi for sure.
Wallis. Ito yung Wallis guys, yung ano, pinakamalaking store dito sa Australia.
Woolies, may ilang bagay kasi na wala sa Aldi, kaya dito kami dumidiretso.
Finding joy.
What do you want? So maganda daw yung banana dito sa Woolies kaysa Aldi. Yan. So, plastic bag. Okay. Wala na kasing plastic bag sa ano, Aldi guys.
Life is an adventure, come and see. Cruising with the family.
2 for 24 mix up. How much? I asked Darius guys how much you pay for this Woolies.
$145.
How much?
$145.
$145 na guys. We will see $145. How much man?
Yeah, $40 in Kmart.
127.
$1.70.
Grocery, 300.
How much we go sir today?
330.
330 yung na-spend natin.
That's for food.
That's only for the food. Only for the food.
Hindi man mura ang cost of living ngayon, thankful pa rin kami sa simpleng buhay
Let's go.
na nabubuo namin dito sa Australia. Ganito ang isa sa mga ordinaryong araw namin dito sa Australia. Walang ingrande, pero ito ang mga simpleng sandaling gusto naming ibahagi.
Home na tayo. Home. Ay,
That garage a bit bigger.
need to get basket. Agay ginagawa. At least today is a good weather.
Hey, it's not chocolate.
Very good weather today. Thank you, Lord.
Ako si Mitz at ito ang isa na namang simpleng kwento ng buhay namin dito sa Australia. Kita-kits sa susunod na vlog. Ingat!
Different currents all collide. A brand new rhythm for a family of six. A Filipino heart and the memories we've come to mix. This is our down under life, Bem Fam shining bright. Yeah, down under life, Bem Fam shining bright to mix. This is our down under life, Bem I'm shining bright.